Hello everybody, how are you all? Welcome to Arpita Akshay YouTube channel. It's winter season and it's time to celebrate some root vegetables. Today I am using radishes as main vegetable and making some yummy parathas, which is healthy and also tasty. For that, let's start by grating 2.5 radishes. This will be enough for 2 people. Radishes have many health benefits. Radishes are low in calories which helps in weight loss. It boosts immune system as they are rich in vitamin C. As radishes are high in fiber, it helps in digestion. It contains hyaluronic acid which helps in skin hydration. It helps in maintaining good heart health. After grating the radishes, add half tablespoon of salt to it, mix it well and keep it aside for 2 minutes. As radishes releases water when salt is added to it, squeeze the water from the radishes in a separate bowl as this water is used to knead the dough for the paratha. I am straining the radish water in a separate bowl. For the filling, I've taken half bunch of coriander, 1 stick of curry leaves, 1 medium sized onion and the grated radish. Now finely chop the onions and add it to the grated radish. Along with the onions, add the finely chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves. Mix them all together once before adding the masalas. Now add half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of homemade garam masala. Mix everything together and keep it aside. Now let's knead the dough for the parathas. For that I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour or atta. To that let's add half teaspoon of oil and 1 cup of radish water in batches until it forms into a dough. Kneading the dough for the parathas is a very important step. If you knead the dough for the parathas very hard, it will be tough to eat the parathas. If you knead the dough very soft, you can't make the parathas properly. Knead until it forms a smooth dough. It should be soft yet firm, and when pressed with a finger, it should not stick. Now let's divide the dough into equal parts. In this case, 7 pieces. We can make these parathas in 2 ways. The first way is take one part of the dough and roll it into 12-inch circle. Now add the radish filling to half part of the 12-inch circle dough and spread it nicely, leaving the edges of the paratha. Now fold the rolled dough into half, making a semicircle, and seal the edges properly to avoid leakage. Now, to a heated pan, add the paratha and cook it on both sides by adding a teaspoon of oil on both the sides until it turns lightly brown. Cook the parathas in medium flame. Cook it until the edges become crispy and keep it aside. Oh my god, it looks so delicious and tempting. You can also make these parathas like this. Follow the steps as I'm making in the video. These radish parathas are a good option for breakfast. You can give your husbands and your children for their lunch boxes. It will be a treat for them. Serve this delicious radish parathas with some homemade raita. This raita recipe I've already put it in my shorts video. I'll give you the link for the same below. Please try this recipe and let me know how it was in your comment section by giving a yellow heart. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel and happy cooking!